In 1948, a cloud of smog passed over the town of Donora, Pennsylvania, and sickened thousands of people. At the same time, 20 people died. This event is one of many smog cases that occurred in the early 20th century in America. Air is essential to humans and their well being, even though most of us, if not all of us, barely think about the air we breathe. Throughout the 1940s, air quality suffered from pollution because of factories and cars. In the 1970s and 1980s, acid rain became a big concern as well. Because of these factors, the Clean Air Act, or the CAA, was enacted in 1970 to help reduce pollution, though it created a much wider impact on the U.S. The creation of the CAA and its use saved millions of lives, stimulated the economy, and bettered the environment. To understand the necessity of the Clean Air Act, one must know the extent of air pollution's harmful effects. Air pollution worsens asthma and cystic fibrosis, causes chronic bronchitis, hurts lung function, and can lead to neurological disorders. Additionally, it is much worse for children since they breathe predominantly through their mouth, allowing particulates to store in their lungs. But it does not only hurt humans, it also hurts the environment. Acid rain, for instance, damages ecosystems. It harms animals and plant life. Furthermore, air pollution damages the environment because it creates holes in the ozone layer. This lets harmful rays through, which can cause skin cancer and cataracts. Since there was an overwhelming amount of evidence proving pollution's adverse effects, the Clean Air Act was passed. It passed in 1970 and has been amended since. Its main purpose was to prevent pollution with different restrictions. Within very little time, the positive impact was shown in two major ways. The first way is how it impacted the environment and the people of America. For instance, from 1980 to now, gasoline with lead declined 92%, nitrogen dioxide declined 46%, and sulfur dioxide declined 71%. This led to healthier soil, cleaner freshwater bodies, less acid rain, and better vegetation. Correspondingly, the reduction of chemicals sealed holes in the ozone layer and prevented thousands of cases of respiratory diseases. A study done by the EPA showed that from 1990 to 2020, a combined 237,380 deaths were prevented. Furthermore, 75,000 cases of chronic bronchitis and 200,000 heart attacks were avoided over the span of 30 years. Likewise, it is well known that cleaner air allows a better economy because there are fewer absent employees. Critics of the CEA like to say that the money used for it was wasted, but this is not true. From 1970 to 1990, the EPA estimates the CAA created $50 trillion worth of benefits and that the U.S. saved $2 trillion in health funds. Additionally, an expensive part of the CAA, known as the Acid Rain Program, prevented deaths that offset its costs 46 to 1. These statistics and facts show that America can successfully prevent pollution while also building its economy. The Clean Air Act did exactly what it was created for, effectively lowering pollution to save countless lives, help the environment, and boost the economy. Because of this act, events like the Donora smog are much less likely to occur. But even though the Clean Air Act solved many air pollution-related problems, new environmental threats continue to emerge. A considerable amount of new problems face the U.S. Some, like global warming, are getting aided, but others are not. The most critical ones include deforestation by urbanization, water pollution, and natural resource depletion. Now is the only time to act. Just like the CAA did, we must take the opportunity to change the Earth's fate and improve life for all Americans.